Welcome to this video. My name is Hannes Knechtkes, and in this video I want to show you the second part of the Can't Stop solo by the Red Hot Chili Peppers. And in this video I want to use more phrasing techniques like bending. And let me get back to you where we are. We are in the key of E minor, E minor. We need your E minor pentatonic. Say where? We played A. Yes, we did it. No, this is the same thing, just shifted up the neck into the 12th fret, okay? You can have the pentatonic everywhere on the neck, starting on any key and on any root note. And we learned it in A, and I said before, you can shift it anywhere where you want. This is the tone, the note A. There's the note E, so we have here the E minor pentatonic. And we only need two strings in this version here, because we will use bendings that will replace the notes we used to play on the E string. So, let me show you what we're about to do here. Sounds way more interesting, doesn't it? Because the bendings give so much more musicality into the whole thing. We start in the 15th fret of the B string with your pinky. And see how the other fingers are lined up behind it. We have the index in the 12th, middle in the 13th, ring finger in the 14th fret, and the pinky goes into the 15th fret. So I kind of have softly locked the neck between my thumb and my index finger kind of side. And then we push the string towards ourselves. And we replace the note we used to play, the 12th fret of the E string. That's the note you need to aim for. You get the idea? You can control yourself if you're bending enough or not too much. Well, if you're bending too far, or if you're bending not enough, you need to hit that note in terms of pitch. And you do that twice. Okay? Bend. Twice. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 15th fret of the B string. Bend. Bend. No bend. 15th fret. Again. 12th fret on the B string. 12 and 12th fret G string. That's the same as in the easy version. So, 15. Instead of, in the easy version, those two bendings in the start of the solo make it so much more interesting. And now the second part starts again with the bending in the 15th fret. And then we need to go to the 17th fret and do also a whole tone bend. So 15th fret with bending, 17th, and then you need to release it, so it's kind of howling. And then 15th fret with the middle finger without a bending, so 15 with the bending, 17 with the bending, middle finger 15th fret, B string, and then put your pinky again to the 15th fret, do a bending, index finger 12th fret B string, and back to the 15th, and 12, 14, 12 on the G string. Again, second part. So 15 with bending, 17 with bending, 15, bending in the 15th fret, 12th fret, 15, 12, 14, 12. Again. One more time slower. And the whole solo. Now the second part we just did. So this is the Can't Stop solo by the Red Hot Chili Peppers. And if you like those kind of solos, I mean, this is just basic pentatonic based stuff. And you see that you don't have to play that many notes to play an expressive solo by using some techniques like bendings and hammer-ons, for example. And so you can expand your repertoire on techniques that you need for solo playing and make your solo playing, or the playing you attempt to do with your scales, more interesting. I hope you learned a lot in this video and had a lot of fun. So see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.